I just have ordered Honor 14x laptop, so I just wanted to show you quickly like how the experience I had for ordering this and what are the things we got inside the laptop box. So I already have opened it. I just wanted to show you what the things we are getting inside the box and how it looks like and how was the experience. So just quickly let's move it out. And so this is the box that we are getting. The Honor Magicbook, you can see the written over at the top of the box. And here's MRP is given 79999, but after all the discounts and latest offers I got it around 47,000 rupees. Okay, it's a Honor Magicbook 14x. So in this configuration, like we get a 14-inch of display, 16 GB RAM and i5 H generation processor. So let me quickly open this, what the things we are getting inside the box. So the box look like this way, you can see. Okay, so what the things we are getting inside the box. This is the Microsoft 365 key for, like this was the added add-on inside the package, like we are getting it free of cost for 1 year of subscription Microsoft 365. This is the menu. This is the charger, 65 port charger, I think this one is. Yeah, so you can see that. Apart from it, we are getting cable. It's a C2C cable. You can see this C2C cable. Okay, and apart from all this, let's go remove it. We are getting this laptop inside the package. So you can see it comes with that. So let's open it and see how it looks like. So it's not kind of first time I'm opening. I already had opened it. So you can see that. So earlier I had ordered Lenovo Idea 3. I think it's a i7 processor. I was getting around 56,000. But later I realized the processor, their IdeaPad 3. Okay, so later I realized the IdeaPad 3 i7 processor is less effective or less have a less configurations compared to the this laptop i5 processor. Like we are getting I think 10 threads and 12 core processor inside this i5 H generation, and inside that i7 I was getting around 8 threads and 10 cores processors. Okay, and it supports I think 4 gigahertz of max processing. So it looks like very slim, you can see that. Here inside this we are getting type C, HDMI, type A port, jack, type A. So we are not getting too much port here, but we have this one HDMI and one, so we can connect it like as much as port we want. Like we can use the connectors, we get the multiple connectors these days. The slimness, you can see that it's a very slim laptop. Okay, and the body is made of aluminium. So this is the also aluminium, and back is also aluminium. Okay, so it finally looks very good, very decent and very premium laptop. So once we open it, you can see that the buttons are very much organized, and the bezels inside this in the laptop, if you see, the bezels are very less. The bezels are very less at the top, at the left right corners, at the bottom, and here we are getting the touchpad. So if we clicking here, so it's directly opening. See, I have configured it, so I just like took 1 and a half hours to just organize all the things just to verify whether all things are working properly on the or not inside the laptop. So see, it's loading, let's see. And all the buttons and everything looks so much of premium. So just it's asking for finishing everything. And so I also have activated my Microsoft 365 subscription. So if you see inside this box, we are getting this key. So inside the key we are getting that subscription key and all the steps and details like how we need to configure that, so that we can configure it once we have activated the laptop. So it's taking a little bit time. So once it all get configured, like so I'll give you the detailed description like how the performance is and how the like as of like I saw like the UI and the design and the screen and the touchpad, trackpad, everything is working so smoothly. Oh, okay, so we don't have any kind of lag or something inside the laptop. And also this touch screen scanner is also very fast. Like if the screen is locked, you just typing it, it will get like screen will get unlocked immediately. And here also we have this backlit. So setting about PC name here. So see what we are getting: 16 GB of RAM, 12th generation i5 S type of processor, 2 GHz minimum and 4.0 is your maximum, 64-bit processor, 22H2 version of Windows. Okay, so it got installed today only. No, it's older installed, but I updated today only this one. Okay. So the thing that I observed, the camera is not that much looks good, but everything apart from it is very smooth and working very efficiently. So definitely if you have a budget of around 50,000, 45 plus, so you can definitely go ahead for this and you can purchase this. Let me show you the lock again. So see, it's locked. Okay, so if I'm just clicking it, no need to click, just tapping it, it will get unlocked. See, just I touch this, so it's working very fast. See, okay, so it's also a like button, so you can push it in case if you wanted to power it or power off, power it on or off, or if you wanted to unlock, so you just need to tap it. Okay, so it looks like very premium, very sleek design. Bezels are very less. Camera is also kind of very taking a very less space. Bezels are very slim this side, both side, and I also like played the video, so all the things working so well. So let me show you one video quickly. Okay, so sound you can hear that.
मैंने एक मोटरसाइकिल दिला दो ना, कुछ और बंगला ना,
this is the video quality, it's not in full.
दिला दीजिए ना.
This is the full color. So इसकी color correction is also so good. And multifunctional screen touches. And this trackpad is like also working with the multiple fingers. So like if you wanted to use 3 fingers, so you get the shortcut. You wanted to take the like whatever the way you are using, just wanted to remove or scroll, so you all would be able to do all the operations. Okay, so like if you wanted to scroll it, just with two fingerprints. The same way like we are working with the like a technical laptop, like high configuration laptop. So all the features we are getting here, the three three finger control, two finger controls. So all things are working here properly. Okay. So what if other I'm trying to do this, like I'm using the uh, Visual Studio, Oracle and multiple IDE for the development. So I will be installing all the things here and we'll see that like how the performance is working. Okay, let's see the task manager how the so currently you can see that the CPU utilization is 5-6%. So I think with the less of application and just opening of it, like it's not giving us the too much pressure to the laptop. Memory utilization 29%. So once we will be installing all the applications like Visual Studio, Oracle, Visual Studio Code, Docker, all the things. So let's see like how the performance is getting impacted with the laptop. So as of now, my 1 and 2 hours of experience with this laptop, it looks very premium. It's very um, like kind of efficient to use, and the performance is also good. The battery backup is also good. I just had charged once, and I'm using it, so you can see that it's a 98% still, and it's showing a 5 hours 22 minutes remaining for this. Okay, so all things look good as of now. So if you wanted to go for buying a laptop with the budget of 45,000, so 45 plus something, so you have this laptop. So again, you can choose this laptop as your primary, and you also can compare with the other laptops, counterpart laptops like Asus Vivo 15 and other. But I finalized this one and it looks very good, and I'm satisfied with this my choice. And the best part of this is the premiumness. It looks like very premium, and the design, you are getting full aluminum body. So everything as of now is looks good. So as per your choice, like you can see, and you can take your decision for this. And for the technical details, I will be sharing you once I will installing all the uh, technical tools like Visual Studio Code, Oracle, SQL, Docker, all the things. So let like after that we'll see that like whether the performance, how much the performance giving this laptop. But I have set up my laptop. So setup is completed. So you can see I installed a multiple application here. We have a Visual Studio, Filmora, post my Android cam. Apart from, we also have installed Visual Studio, Oracle client. So most of the thing that I have been using on my previous laptop, I have installed and set up in this one. So I just wanted to show you quickly how much the performance is impacting, how much it is consuming. So you can see here Chrome is running, Edge is running, Manager, SQL Developer is also running since I also opened my Oracle, and connection is already established here. So you can see here. So this one is also running. We have Filmora is running, Task Manager is running. So let me open Visual Studio as well. So the Visual Studio is also running. Okay. So Visual Studio is also running. So you can see that like how much the performance is impacting here. So it's a 14-16 percent of CPU utilization is consuming, and say 60-70% of memory utilization is happening. So since we have a multiple things open, so it's taking a little bit more, but I didn't face any single case in which like I'm able not able to use anything, or anything is lagging, or anything is taking a longer time while loading or opening. So as per my current experience, like it's opening properly, it's working properly, I'm able to do my all the daily tasks and it's giving a good performance here. So let me show you the task manager also. So we have a 12 instance of Chrome is open. So what I did, like earlier I had opened, but I did not close all the instances. So even if you're seeing here three, but one instance only, but the background is running with the 12 instances. And same way for the age. Okay, so it's giving us the giving me the good performance. OneDrive is also working. Multiple Oracle services are working. So I've given the like of kind of enough load to the PC, and it's giving me the good experience. Means I'm not facing the lagging issue or something kind of. And let's see the details of the system configuration of the system. So I already have opened the system information. So you can see here the it comes with the Windows 11 home, and we have OS description, PC name, what else is here for us. So see the RAM is a 16 GB showing, and it's physically available 15.7 GB. Virtual memory is 18.6 GB. So these are details are here, so you can validate it. Okay, if anything you wanted to validate from your side. And same way we are getting these details here in Honor PC Manager. So it's a kind of good application we are getting inside the laptop, through which we can like sync our mobile, sync our tablet. So like in the case like if you wanted to keep our data up to date in our PC, so we can do that. Okay, so you can see also here like the manufacturer is Intel, and core and threads. So we have 8 cores and 12 threads. 8 core and 12 threads here. Okay, so let me see like what the Amazon is contributing on 14x only, and I think this one is that i5. Yeah, it's not gadget one, because I remember like I saw that this is having a 10 core. This is the i5 4.2 gigahertz with 4 cores, 12 GB DDR. So it's a different processor. Okay, it's not a H processor. So what is the size here? 14 inch full. Okay, this one is 18 GB one. Okay, so we need a 16 GB. So let me see below. I'm getting 16 GB one. i5 is my choice. 14x. This is the Ryzen. This is also a different one. So let me here 16 GB. 16 GB. This one is the only. Okay, so here what this giving us 14 4.4 gigahertz, 8 core and 12 threads. Okay, so these are as per the expectation. So minimum we are getting 2 gigahertz of base and 4.4 gigahertz of max speed. Okay, so even though like I earlier I told you like I had ordered IdeaPad 3 laptop, Lenovo IdeaPad 3. It was giving me i7. Although the i7 was there, but it was giving the less performance as compared to this. I had compared in benchmark score, so I thought of like it's giving a less performance as compared to this. And like even though that is i7, it was not a good in performance as compared to this. Okay, so I rejected that and I did not continue with the idea pad. So if you see the idea pad, so let me also open that Lenovo idea pad. It comes around same idea pad 3 slim 3 sorry. This one you can see the 15 56,990, almost the same price. Okay, so you can see 16 GB, 512 GB, everything, and Core i7. Okay, so see here, 4.7 GHz max speed, 4 cores and 8 threads only. Okay, and they are giving a G7 category processor. So when I compared this processor with the this one, Honor one, so I found like this one is giving us the more score as compared to this one, Lenovo IdeaPad. Then I decided to go with this Honor one. Okay, and the cores and threads are also not good. Like we are not getting as much we are getting in the Honor one. Okay, and since and also the design, like if you see, this one is the 15.6, and it's having plastic body, not the aluminum body. So we also getting the metal body here in the laptop, so that is also good. So if you wanted to see that comparison, comparison, so that we can also show you uh, processor. This one is, I think, benchmark. uh, this is not that processor. CPU comparison, and this is also the one. This is not that one. This one is the, I think, they are showing the best one like already, but we can also compare the two CPUs, which one is the good and which one is not good. Okay, so CPU, GPU, HHD, we need to compare. Firstly, this one, like Honor. So we have Core i5. This, so here we can put i5. So this one is that. Okay, so let's compare this. Okay, and second one, what we have in IdeaPad, this one i7 111G7. So i7 control B 111G7. So let's hit this one as well. So this one is that. Okay, see the comparison. So this one is i5, this one is i7. This one we are coming with IdeaPad 3, and this one is coming with Honor. Okay, so if you go effective speed, so this one is the 36% higher than this. Okay, if you see the average score, so this one is much better. This one is better than in average score. If overclocked score, this one is better. If you see value and sentiments kind of, so it's a i7 definitely, so it's going higher. Okay, nice to have. So 80% 7 of percent chances of taking this one, because this is, since this is i5, but it's still giving a good score as compared to this. Okay, so when I compared all these things, even though it's i7 in IdeaPad, I decided to take i5 because it's giving me a good score as compared to this. Okay, so and we have honor, so I can show you these detail as well. So inside this manager, you can see that the cache detail, like how much the cache is occupying, how much the memory in RAM. So channel A slot position we have in the RAM 2 GB, max speed is 4.2 megahertz frequency. So every detail is here, so I'm just scrolling down. So in anything you wanted to keep, so you can just see that. So hard disk we have 512 GB, and model we also have. So even though if we wanted to extend it, so we can take it. And we are not getting a Irish default graphic card with this. We have a Intel UHD graphic card. So we also have that version and capacity. So 128 MB of capacity it has. And display we model, sound card, network card, video, every detail we are getting inside this package manager, PC manager, sorry. And fingerprint type also. So this is a fingerprint, so if you wanted to check details, so you can go through that. And it's giving a good experience as of now for me. So it's all depends you like what kind of things you wanted and looking for. So you can go ahead, but as per my suggestion, this is the good PC, you can take it up without any doubt. So here also like phone backup and everything, you can connect and you can sync up with your phone, everything. Okay, so the percentage we can see, still you can see 20% around it's going. So that's all. If anything, any more thing you wanted to know, just let me know. I will definitely help you on that. Okay, but as of now it's a good, and I have a good experience with this. Thank you so much for the watching. See you on the next video.